keep hitting the stop button instead of the zoom button. Oh well. That one icicle there in the middle is almost as long as our shutters. But I think that completes the tour of the backyard. A lot of the snow is blown down off of the fence since the wind. Got a lot of down trees in the brush. Have to keep shoveling out. Margot, what are you doing? Have to keep shoveling out the heater. There you can tell exactly how high. What? What are you doing, silly? You can tell exactly how high the snow is, or has been. Alright, now it's officially cold. I think we're gonna go in.